Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Lookfantastic unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing Lookfantastic's Rose Collection beauty box. So this is a special beauty box for Valentine's Day and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, the products inside this box is amazing. So I'm really excited to unbox it and show you everything that's inside. Let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so this is the beauty box right here, and it's a big one. It is massive and it is gorgeous. Like, look at the packaging of this. Oh, it's so nice. So it says the Rose Collection Lookfantastic right here, and it has this gorgeous pink bow on it, and of course the box is a love heart, which I think is absolutely stunning. Like, I am in love with this box. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so here is an overview of everything that we get inside the box. There is a bunch of really kind of high-end brands in here, and the value of this box is over £150, but it retails for £60. And if you're a beauty box subscriber, then you'll get £10 off of this one. And yeah, the code for that is Rose BB, I think, so I will leave that down below any description box for you, so check down there. Let's get into the unboxing and I'll show you everything that we get in here. Okay, so before I show you the first thing inside the box, I just want to mention that all the products inside this box are actually rose inspired. So like all the skincare bits, the beauty bits that's inside this box do have rose ingredients in them. So yeah, I just want to quickly mention that. So the first thing we get inside the box is this here from Ormovixa. This is their Queen of Hungary mist. So I wanted to try this for a long time because it looks absolutely amazing and I've heard lots of good things about this. So yeah, I'll read what it says here. So it says, rejuvenate the complexion with this weightless, delicately scented formula that hydrates and soothes skin. Enriched with the nourishing blend of rose, sage and orange blossom waters, this mist balances and hydrates. Okay, so I'm going to spray a little bit of this on my face because I actually tried this the other day there when I first, when I got the box, and I really liked it. I actually sprayed it on top of my makeup and it was fine, so I'm going to spray it again. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Like, you can smell the rose in there for sure. It is so nice. Like, I am loving this. So this here is a 30ml that we get, and I'm so happy that I've got this now because I wanted to try this for a long time. So yeah, I'm really liking this so far. Okay, so next thing we get inside the box is something else that I've wanted to try for a while, and it is from Pixi. This is the Rose Tonic, and I've heard a lot of really good things about the Pixi's Rose Tonic water, and I'm so happy to have this as well. So it says here it's a rose and elderflower nourishing toner, naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimise redness and calm skin, rehydrates, replenishes and refreshes. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types, which is good, and it's alcohol free, so you can use it in the AM and the PM after cleansing. I'm really excited to try this, and I'll be definitely trying it this weekend. So yeah, we also get that in the box, and that is 100ml. Okay, so next thing we get inside the box is from one of my favourite skincare brands, and it is Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet. I love Caudalie so much. Like, I think their products are amazing, and this is the Moisturizing Sorbet, and I have this already, so I'm so happy to have another one because this is really nice. That's it there, and it's in a pretty pink packaging. So here it says, calm irritated and stressed skin with this gel cream formula that immediately soothes, leaving the skin refreshed and comfortable. A sensitive skin saviour blended with organic grape water and calming chamomile. This nourishing formula leaves skin clear and soft. This is a really nice moisturiser. It's a little bit of a thicker moisturiser, and I tend to use this more like when I'm doing a kind of a full pamper routine, if you know what I mean, because during the week I like to use on a daily basis really the Caudalie Radiance Complexion Serum. You guys know I love that so much. So yeah, I use that in a daily, but I like to use this at the weekend just to like really kind of moisturise my skin more so yeah, I really like this. I have used this for a while, so I'm really happy that I have another tube. And this is a full size because all the products in here are full size products which you can buy. You know, some of them you can get in bigger like mls, but they're all like full size products that you can actually buy, if you know what I mean. You know, like when you get a perfume you buy like 30 mils, 50 mils or 100 mils. Well, these are the same really, like you can buy these in these sizes. So they're all full size products inside the box. Okay, so next time we get inside the box I'm so excited about because it is a huge product, and it is this here from Christophe Robin, and this is the cleansing volumizing paste with pure rasol clay and rose extracts. So I have this already. I have two of these in a little kind of smaller size which I've yet to try out, but I'm really looking forward to trying it out because I like what this says. You know, it says here that this will give you a lot of body and volume to your hair. So this weekend I'm going to be trying this out as well. My god, I'm going to have such a pamper weekend, but I'm really excited about it. I'll read what it says about this. It says, purify and pamper lackluster hair with this deep cleansing shampoo like treatment with body boosting benefits. A 85% natural formula transforms from a paste like formula into a light foam that removes dirt and impurities while rejuvenating tresses for intense volume. So yeah, I am super excited about this. Like I said, I do have a few smaller sizes which of course I will use up before this one. Hopefully I really like it, and then I've got this bigger fuller size here. My hair is due for a wash anyway, so this is going to be going in it this weekend, and this is a 250 ml. Okay, so next time we get inside the box is a product from a super pretty brand. Like every time I see this brand's, you know, campaigns or like product launches or just photos or Instagram page, it always just looks so pretty and so like just cute looking in general. And it is this brand here which I think you pronounce this is Aurelia. I'm not too sure if you do, but this brand here, this is their miracle cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary and bergamot. So that's it there. Now you can get this in a kind of bigger tub, something kind of similar to, you know, this. So this is like the 50 ml, I believe that will be like the 100 ml. So this is the miracle cleanser, and like I told you this brand was super cute because like look at that, they put like a wee mini towel in the box with a super cute pink bow on it. Like that is super cute, like so adorable. So this is their miracle cleanser, and it says here on the back here is their award-winning aromatic creamy cleanser that lifts off all impurities and makeup, leaving skin bright, clean and glowing. Like, I like the sound of that. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Like, I've always wanted to try something from this brand as well, just because their products always look super cute, you know, like the way they display them and things like that. So yeah, very excited about this, and this is a 50 ml. Okay, so the next thing that's inside this gorgeous box is this big bottle here, and this is a Core's shower gel. So that's what it looks like there, and this one is in the scent Japanese Rose. Like, I cannot wait to smell this. Actually, I haven't smelled this yet. I did have a Core's body or shower gel thing before, which I think was in, was it basil and lemon? I think it was. That was gorgeous. Like, I really loved that. So, oh my god, this smells so nice. Oh, so nice. Like, you can really smell the rose in there. So this is a 250 ml. So it says pamper the skin with this rose scented shower gel with a formula that creates a protective film around skin to keep it soft, combined with an intoxicating rose fragrance. Turn your shower into a haven of relaxation with this shower gel. So yeah, very excited to try this out. Of course I'll be trying it in my shower this weekend as well. Like, I just love the smell of this. It's super floral, like a rosy floral scent, but it is gorgeous. So that is a 250 ml guys, and I am loving that. Okay, so the next thing we get inside the box is from another brand that has such amazing skincare products, and it is Elemis. So this is Elemis's Gentle Rose Exfoliator. and I don't believe I've tried this before because I have tried a few LMS products in the past which are really nice. I don't think I've tried this one though, like a gentle rose exfoliator. No, like I have never tried anything with rose in it from LMS yet, no, never. So that's it there, and this is a 50 ml, and let me just read what this does. So reveal a naturally radiant complexion. Like amazing, I love products that say radiant and glowing, so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this now. So reveal a naturally radiant complexion with this gentle daily exfoliator, a gel formula containing exfoliating jojoba beads. This exfoliator brightens and soothes skin to reveal a natural glow using the hydrating absolute of Moroccan rose. Skin will be left silky smooth and soft to touch. So yeah, super excited about this. I love that it says radiant and will leave your skin glowing, like amazing. Yeah, very excited to try this. So guys, that is everything that we get inside this gorgeous Rose Collection beauty box. I'm so happy with the products in here. Like I love that everything is full size and all the products are high-end luxury products as well. So yeah, very impressed and super excited to try everything out. I'll leave a link to the box down below in the description box for you, and I'll also leave the discount code down there as well. Remember, you have to be a beauty box subscriber to get that £10 off. It's still a good price without the discount because like the box retails were £60 and the total value of all the products inside is over £150, so it's quite a good deal there, guys. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, then remember to give it the big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button just down below if you are brand new to my channel, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.